Hello, hello. Oop, gotta get a sip of my Pepsi. Okay, caffeine for a developer. All right, final project. I have worked so hard on this, oh my gosh, but I really only did it in like the last 24 hours. So I did this whole thing in like 24 hours. Happy about it. Okay, all right. So this project is basically really quickly. It's just we're supposed to showcase we're making SPA using the mean stack, and we gotta know how to use Angular components, services, use an Express node service, and then use a MongoDB database and support these create, read, update, delete methods. You know, I've went so far. Oh man. So lo and behold. All right, let me go close that. Okay. I'm going to restart this. So let's do a CLS to clear everything. Okay. Oh my goodness. Close everything. I had so much fun. First off, starting with adding some like AI model stuff to my application. Because I really want this to be something I can share with the world for just me. Like stuff that I have on my websites. As well as content I have on YouTube. So that's the whole purpose of me doing this crazy amount of stuff. All right. So we're going to start the node development server, and this will also be hosted at gaming.f6ninja.dev. So you'll be able to see it hosted online. Hopefully, if there's no errors with render and Railway. Not gonna lie, I had some errors with package.lock. Packagelock.json. For some reason, this file, I now have to hide it. So, all right, let's go. Here we are. We're at the start. Okay, so really all I did to get myself set up for future development was add just the videos. About has two different things that I'm going to be working on in my own spare time. Gonna have a content, you know, like things that I have that I've worked on. So it's gonna be like project stuff that I describe in detail, and then the gallery is going to be like snapshot images. That's something I want to do in my own time because I have some peers I want to work with, see if they want to try to do it too. I got a generated privacy policy because, like I said, I'm hosting some stuff for YouTube. So this is actually its own component that has this piece, and there's a lot. So, like I said, it's gonna be hosted online. It's gonna have a bunch of, you know, cookie stuff, so gotta be careful with that. Cookie policy will actually be auto-generated, so it'll be interesting. Based off the same service that uses this, which is Termly, something like that. Yeah. Contact, basically same thing for about. It's gonna link to the privacy policy and cookie policy as well for some things, or they're those components are going to link back to the contact component. So yeah, there's that. The videos. Wow. Oh, this was fun. This linker here navigates me to the default, which is actually going to be about. As you can see, if I click right here, it shows the route, the route route. And by default, it'll navigate me to about. So there's that. This little animation, this is the AI model. Say I want to do, like, say, hey, my name's Aaron Bechtel, you know? You'll send it. Gives me a response. Let's see if I did something like, what videos do you have? Let's see if it'll give me a proper response. Yes, good. Take a look at the list of videos on the videos page. You can watch development creators progression, learn how to create Angular SPAs. That's me, the creating developer. Development creator. Bleh. And even content streams on his gaming channel directly on this website. That's the whole point of me doing this. So we go to videos. It'll actually give you the link. It'll navigate you to it. I added the day-night toggle. I think this looks pretty clean, personally. There's also the new button, so I can create a new one if I wanted. And this whole page is scrollable to a certain point, so it keeps it all within the same dimensions of the viewport. Let's see. This is with its own dimensions, about 40% of the viewport. The whole anything that's in this area, from the heading to the bottom of whatever it is. Excuse me. Got a burp, so it's backed away. Oh man, jeez. Is 80% of viewport, so I wanted to keep everything, you know, like far away. Let's see. Of course, this still does that. It doesn't interfere, so we're good there. So I like that. These are placeholder images because, like I said, this future things I want to work on. So I want to have some little thumbnails that I want to put in there. Let's see. Okay, so if I go to videos, in fact, if I did the new, there's also a cancel button. Just navigating back to videos. Pretty nice. All right. Okay. For instance, this is some things that are going to show up. We're going to see, you know, you got edit details for the video, or you got delete the thing for the video. If you want to delete it, which I want to add some authentication. That's my next step, is add authentication, really. This has no proper source, so it says t.mp4. That's the actual data that's associated. If I hit edit details, you can see all the details that I had beforehand. This I had to use a pipe to make it work. Same thing here. I never learned that by default everything is at English in the United States. So all locals are going to be based off of that. So it's going to be interesting how that works. Let's see. The only error is content JSON. Yeah, it's just some kind of browser extension I got. Okay. So I could edit this if I wanted. So, but we can see that I can get it. All right. So I'm actually going to create a new one real quick. We're going to do new, and we'll call it let's just call it new. Okay. Let's do new test real. Okay. Video URL is going to be new. Call it new real. .mp4. Video length. It's just numbers. You know, if I try to put in 0, I'm gonna show some validation real quick. Put in a date for the 17th or whatever. Video genre, let's put it in as test. Creators, myself. Video tags. I'm gonna leave it blank because I can show that with the post. If I hit submit, it won't submit. Like, you'll see it did not submit here. If I were to go in here, nothing shows up, so it's gonna fail very silently. So that'll be interesting how that goes. That'd be something I might want to deal. Add some like error message or something. But anyway, so it failed silently because otherwise the title would be right up here. You know, we don't see it at all. So I have to show off what's wrong. I'll have to add some validation. That's gonna be some CSS class with Bootstrap. So I just realized that. Then in a value of 1 here. Video tags, I'm gonna leave blank, submit, see it submits. Now there's new. I can still see it now. I got my ID showing up here. And as you can see, if we inspect it and we look at the video source, we had newreal.mp4. There we go. And if I hit edit, no, now is the edit portion. Say I want to add some tags. New, let's do test, let's do real, let's do another space, and let's do biscuits, because I still have to eat dinner and biscuits sound really good. I'm going to leave a trailing space at the end of that. Put a comma after that too, and then I'm going to put, I don't know, origami. Okay, hit submit. As you can see, it updated, and it brought me to the new page, to the new thing, because that's what it was previously at. So now if we look at edit details, we can see tags does not show up. That's interesting. That should not be. Oh, that's because the URL's wrong. Okay. That makes more sense. All right. I might have to change those. Let me change that real quick. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go and push this to the hosting. So I'm gonna do that real quick and get that all set up. Hey, we are currently pushing it to Railway. This will be interesting. So, like I said, we're just gonna let this keep going. I think I can still access all that data. I'm pretty sure I should be able to because I use the same database. So this will take a while, so I'll bring you back to it when it's done. All right, it's successfully done, so we're good there. Like I said, had some errors to work with. Package lock. Anyway, so let's go to it. As you can see, same thing. Love it. So, like I said, back to videos and everything stays. Awesome. Okay, so I'm going to go and show off the thing here, make sure it works right. All right, so back to what I was saying. Tags. We want some tags. So let's add some tags. Let's do, we said it was new. Test. Real. I said biscuits because I'm hungry. And put an extra space in there to show that it'll actually trim it. Let's do, let's see, chicken. Let's just say that. I don't remember it all. Okay. Hit submit. I can see video updated successfully. Yes. So happy. Oh, makes me so happy. All right. We go back to edit details. We can see there's no space with anything. Everything is comma separated, so we're good. Yeah. I'm just so happy. All right. So you know that the API works now perfectly. Happy now. So if I wanted to just, go back to it, and I can do that. All right. So show off and delete. It's as simple as just, oops, there it goes. And video deleted successfully. Yes. So happy. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Oh man. All right. So test deletion again. I can do the same thing. Just delete it. Blah blah blah. I'm gonna delete all these. Let's do an update. Oh, I kind of already did it. Don't need to. Alrighty. Waffle scroll test. That was me testing out my little scroll bar thing. Test ID. We got that working. All right. This is the one that I want to. Oh. I also added can't really see it very well, but I can't really point it out. As you can see, there's a little box that pops up. That's the actual title. And it's purposely. Oh, excuse me. I'm set to this long. It's about 45 or 55% of the whole width. So it's got an overflow ellipse setting on it. This one's shorter, so it actually shows some difference. Okay, so now let me get one of my videos. Copy. Come back. Edit. Originally set this as null. But now I'm going to test to see if this works, because I don't know if it will, but I hope it does. If I hit submit, there's an error. Inspect. Tags.split. Okay. There's something weird. There's a weird bug going on. Interesting. I'll just figure what's going on there. So, yeah, that worked. We got the URL. It's just not working. So, okay. Well, I'll figure that out in a little bit. And we got our video. So happy. So our video shows up. Yeah, this was me just doing this stuff like a long time ago. So I don't know if you can hear if there's any audio, but I can hear audio here. So fact should allow out of here. I wonder if it'll work now.
And then everything. And in order to show everything you have in the directory, in order to show this whole thing work, you have to rename any index files because Switcher was original.
So yeah, that's basically all that. So yeah, I could delete it if I wanted, but yeah. I'll probably add like a thumbnail on there or something. I might also add a little customization to the whole thing. We can see there's a length here. That's something I want to change here. Give it like find out the video length. I'll have to figure out how to do that. And then I'm trying to think. Once I get the video length, convert it into seconds, so multiply it by 6. I'll do something like conversion to figure out the number of seconds or something. I don't know. But yeah, so I'm going to figure that out. I'm going to give the video length on it, and then I'll end up actually deleting this, so that way any kind of video you actually upload, it'll, do that. So, yeah. So there's that. Of course, I'm going to also end up like restricting a lot of this stuff here very soon, so I'll actually remove the videos component here in about 1 week. That way, I can work on the authentication for it all. So, yep, there's that. Cancel. Let's see. It actually brings you back to the original thing, so kind of interesting how that worked. So once I get authentication, I'm gonna actually make it to where you have to log in or to edit anything. So, and that's going to be just me that edits. So, has access to the edit and delete thing. Other than that, everybody else is just going to see the player, and that's it. So yeah, like I said, everything was a blast. I really enjoyed all this stuff. Yeah, got a day-night toggle on this. Got a little application here. So if you ever want to figure out how this works, how do I use this? Let's see if it gives a proper response. Yes, good. Just type in how do I use this. Technology says happy to help. It says I'm a kind chatbot. Gonna describe some of our videos. Basically, it's just are they Angular, Minecraft, whatever, Give some dad jokes. Ooh, want to see some dad jokes? I want to refresh so it clears the actual thing here. All right. Let's do give me the funnies. See if it'll give me the right thing. Yeah, there we go. Bit of a kind of messed up or darkish. I don't know. But good dad jokes are hard to come by. That's why mine never comes with milk. You don't understand that? Good. It's yeah. Little play on the dad joke. But yeah. Okay, let's see. Let's see if we can get another one. Another. And you have to specify joke, that's one thing. So, why did the hipster burn his mouth? He drank the coffee before it was cool. Yep. So, yeah. So you can type in like thanks, and gives you a response like, yeah, you're welcome, kind of thing. And you say bye. Yeah. It doesn't automatically close. That's something I kind of want to add to it, but yeah. But yeah, that's my project for the semester for web full stack development. Gotta admit, it was kind of fun. It's kind of fun. I actually really enjoyed it. Like I said, I'm gonna have some things I want to look forward to that I can like work on with other people. So it kind of left it kind of open, like kind of unfinished, like incomplete. That's the word. Oof. So yeah, Let me know what you think. If you're my instructor, thank you so much, Mr. Del Sol. I greatly appreciate all your help. I also appreciate your enthusiasm in this whole thing. It's been fun learning from you, fun working with everybody to get this whole project, together in pieces. I'm gonna miss web design in school. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah. All right. Take care.